Hey everybody, Russ here. Hey, I'm out in the factory today, and I think most everybody knows that we are producing Glulam beams, some of the best looking beams out there in our opinion, and that has to do with the tight growth rings of the trees that we're cutting. This stuff's raw right out of the press, so you can see this stuff is solid and very clean. We've got a few other things out here as well. We've got some CLT on the floor here. This is raw. This is going to be sanded and used. And we've got some other products over here that you may not know of. So we've been doing a lot more Glulam lately. So you can see here, this is some of our latest offerings here. This is split lam. So we're taking a 2x4 and a 2x8, gluing them together to make these products. All the markings or the sorting that we do to make sure we get the right piece in the right area. But the small knots, the quality of the grain makes a big difference. But you can see some of the product there that's been sanded. And then in the background here, we've got our CNC cutting these pieces up. It's like a huge kit of big wooden Legos. And then the guys in the back there are doing the fabricating. They're doing any extra hand fabrication, any sanding that needs to happen, any fixes that need to happen before we sequence the load and send it out to the job site. But this is where we add all that value to the excellent forest stewardship that's going on out in the forest, restoring forests, taking the byproduct of that and putting it into these buildings.